This is the amazing Volvo car manufacturing plant in Ghent, Belgium. Volvo's most successful model, XC40, is manufactured in this plant. The manufacturing starts by arranging the metal parts for welding. After that, the parts are welded. Then the parts are sent for the next assembly. Now the rear windshield is installed. The front bumper is attached to the body. The driver and passengers' comfortable seats are installed. Now the car is inspected at various spots. After assembling, the car is tested on a dynamometer. Now the car is ready to be delivered to customers. Thanks for watching. Please like and share for more interesting videos.